Welcome to Matlab Help. In this video, we are going to see how we can add an element to an array. First of all, we will clear the workspace by using CLC and clear all. So let's define an array B which has 4 elements. So in the first operation, we will insert an element in the end of this array B. So for that, we will use end plus 1 keywords on this code. So here you can see the 56 has been inserted. We can insert any number, let's say 66. Here as you can see that the 66 has been inserted. So another way is to insert is by using length plus 1, which will insert an element 88. So let's run this code. So here you can see that 88 has been inserted. Similarly, any number we can insert. Here you can see that 99 also has been inserted. So next operation we will do the insert an element in the beginning. So here we have a array B which has now total 6 elements. So we want to enter 4 and 5 in the beginning. So for that we will just write it in the array form. So we want to enter 4 and 5 before in the beginning of array B. So let's run this code. So 4 and 5 has been inserted just before the array B. So here we can also insert many number whatever we want. Suppose we insert another element 6. Here you can see that 4, 5 and 6 have been inserted. So next operation we will do insert in between. So we suppose we want to insert the element in between 2 and 4. For that we will just similarly write it in the array form, and we will first call these element 1 and 2. So for that we will call these two element 1 and 2. For that we will write this, and after that we put a space. We will write the numbers which we want to insert. Suppose we want to insert 7 and 8. So for that we will just put a space in between those, and then we will call the rest of the element. So let's run this code. Here you can see that initially we had an array A which has 1 2 3 4 element, and then after that what we did is we inserted 7 and 8 in between 2 and 4. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.